In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo or image in Lovable.dev Lovable AI Guide. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable, then click the official result to open the Lovable website at Lovable.dev. Once you're in, navigate to the project you've already created and want to update. If you're asked to sign in, do that first so you can access your workspace and assets. Inside your project, look to the lower left corner of the interface and click the small plus icon. This is the quickest way to add new items. From the menu that appears, choose Attach. You'll see options related to how assets are stored and accessed. Lovable Cloud is the built-in, fastest route for prototyping and quick experiments. If you're planning something more robust, Supabase gives you production-ready Postgres with authentication and more control. If you ever connect external services, make sure you use environment variables for any API keys and keep credentials out of your code and screenshots. Next, choose your image or logo from your device. For best results, a PNG or SVG with a transparent background works well, and keeping the file size modest helps uploads and previews feel snappy. After selecting the file, click Publish to apply the change to your project. When the upload is complete, click Open to view the updated project. This will launch a preview so you can see how the image is integrated. If you want Lovable to help place or style the logo automatically, use the prompt field to describe what you want. A simple example is, add a logo to my project. You can include brief guidance like preferred location or size, but keep it clear and concise so the tool can act on it effectively. Now click Submit. Lovable will process your request and update the project. Give it a moment. The timing depends on your internet connection and the size of your project assets. You'll see progress indicators while it works. Once the update finishes, take a careful look in Preview to confirm the logo appears where you expect. If anything needs fine-tuning, like spacing, alignment, or adding descriptive alt text for accessibility, switch to Edit and make adjustments. Preview again to validate the changes until everything looks consistent across pages and screen sizes. And that's it. You've added a logo or image to your Lovable project, reviewed it in context, and refined it as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy building!